Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is at a very interesting spot right now because ADA reached the 38.2 retracement at 40 cents. So after rallying to, pretty much 46, nearly 46 cents last week, the price then started the pullback. I can actually take out those range boundary lines, so we don't need them anymore. But Fibonacci support is well defined, and you might recall from previous videos that I highlighted, I would prefer one more high. It would give us a clearer 5-wave move up. And it seems like we are close to the end of an initial 3-wave decline from the highs of last week. So I've labeled this in the white count, which is the, you could say, preferred interpretation, even though I really dislike the this sort of terminology, preferred and alternative, because both counts that I show you are reasonable, right? It's all about the pivots and understanding which pivot, which support and resistance area holds which wave count alive, and then you can position yourself accordingly. But the idea is still that it would give us at least a larger, clearer 5-wave move, and that would give us clarity. So I naturally would prefer that, because from an analysis point of view, 5 waves up is always a clearer pattern, even though that wave 4 is getting quite protracted there at the moment. But one more high from here is definitely possible. Again, I would see all of this as a range. We have 2 support levels or areas. The upper one, which is wave 4 support, the lower one is wave 2 support. Both matter, and we can see reactions to both. At the moment, if this is a wave 4, which I at the moment still assume, that might change depending on what the rally does. When the price starts to give us a bounce and it looks deeply corrective, then this might just be, let's say, an A, B, C in wave 2, right? But we have to see. I mean, for now, one more high would be my preference. And if we see one more high, by the way, I will take that resistance area out. We don't need that anymore. That was for the internal B wave. The price got rejected there. But one more high to 48.5, 49, 50 cents. Possibly to test this trend line here as well, which has 2 to 3 touch points there. That would be ideal. It would give us a clear 5-wave move, and then we would have to adjust the wave 2 pullback support area, and then we can take it from there. At the moment, this could be 5 waves up. So again, I'm not ruling out that we're already in wave 2, which is why I've got that support area already on the chart. But the wave 1 to the upside was not clearly 5 waves. So in the yellow wave count, the internal wave 4 was very shallow, very short. And I might actually place it here, but it doesn't make a great difference. It's still small. And then, we could now be in the wave 2, which looks good. But in the white count, the wave 4 is quite massive. So, which one do you go with? It's just important to, I think, recognize that for a wave 4 support to hold, the price should turn around before breaking below 38.6 cents. A break below 38.6 cents would give us clarity that we're not in wave 4, but then it could be a wave 2. And if we now see an impulsive rally, it could be wave 5 start, because we haven't broken below upper support. So any rally from here could therefore be wave 5, but I haven't got any evidence while I record this video that wave 5 has started towards the 50 cent region, or just below, because we only have 3 waves up. If I see throughout the day a 5-wave move up, I will communicate that on Discord for gold members, and you also know what to watch out for. So basically just like a clear 5-wave move up. So we would need, but this is micro counting. I mean, doesn't make much sense for altcoins, but it could be, it already reached the 3rd wave, 4, 5. So if we get another small consolidation, then another push to maybe 42.5, 43 cents, that would give us 5 waves. But this is micro counting. This is very subjective as well. But for now, it's clearly 3 waves up, which doesn't clearly give me a, let's say, confirmation that this wave 4 is over. I have to say, though, if we draw the Fib extensions, the price reached the 100% extension target and the 38.2 retracement. So I'd say, if the wave 4 bottoms, it should bottom in this region and give us that 5th wave to the upside. Or even in a larger wave 2 interpretation, and maybe I should change that to yellow, this here would be an A wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave down. So it's just what we're watching for. Either way, like I did say on the Bitcoin chart or in the Bitcoin analysis, this chart should be seen as bullish. For ADA, I'm inclined to say the same, but it depends on whether the price can hold 34.3 cents, because that's of both support areas, the lower boundary, and only below that, new lows are likely happening. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.